What you know about lake effect snowstorms? Right now you don't know anything. How about we ask Jason? Jason, how does it feel like in that snowstorm?
It's cold as...
Thanks, Jason. A lake effect snowstorm is a snowstorm that affects lakes. Now we go to Dr. Johnson for the causes.
Well, winds blow over and big lakes pick up moisture. If the wind is cold, moisture picks up and becomes snow. When snow reaches the shore, it can cause a mini blizzard. The storms dump heavy snow over a small area of land. Well, time to go to work.
Thanks, Dr. Johnson. Now you may be wondering how these can be predicted. Well, a whiteout can occur before a snowstorm from thick falling snow. In a whiteout, everything looks white, so if you see a whiteout, look for a snowstorm. Now let's ask our friend, the rapist, about locations of lake effect snowstorms.
Hey, yo, man, you know, them lake effect snowstorms, they always be happening in them Great Lakes, man. You feel me, Brantley?
No, I don't think I feel you. Anyway, of course these kind of snowstorms occur mostly during winter, and warnings are broadcasted by radio and TV. Now we're going to demonstrate some precautions. Wear warm articles of clothing. To be ready for the snow, your pants must be low. Stay where you are. Do not drive any vehicles. Thanks, Dr. Johnson. Now you may be wondering how these can be predicted. Well, a whiteout can occur before a snowstorm. Thanks, Dr. Johnson. Now you may be wondering how these can be predicted. Well, a whiteout can occur from a snowstorm from thick falling snow.
Well,
No.
the storm, the storm.